Okay, I just created a new workbook and I'm going to do the following here. First of all, I'm going to copy here a series of data, and here I'm going to copy here 01, 01, okay, 01, 02, 2017, okay, and until 12. That's it. Okay, I'm gonna click on custom format cell, and I'm going to display only the month like this comes in, and then here I'm going to type, say, 2017, and this is minus this. I type here something like 5 years, okay, like this. Copy, paste special values. I'm gonna sort in this way. Okay, this is data, here's data, month, okay, this is data. Then I'm going to create my dashboard, okay, and I start to do the following. I will, here is month, here is year, and data validation, it's a list. The source is this, and here is data validation list. Here we are. Okay, I'm gonna do like this. Home, use this color here. I'm going to create a top bar that we will see later how to arrange this. I'm gonna put some colors, can be this. I'm gonna do change to Arial black. I'm gonna increase like this. Okay, insert, and okay, I'm gonna do like this, like that. I'm gonna put this like this. Okay, and then this format cell custom. Okay, here we are. Okay, we are creating our, this one will be basically along with row height 6, F4. I have also this. So we are creating our dashboard. Okay, here we are. Then we're going to do like this. I'm going to the developer ribbon, insert, and here I put this drop down here. Okay, the focus, just to control this much better. Okay, good. So I'm gonna scroll bar. Okay, as format control, current value is 2, the minimum is 1, the maximum is 12, path change only 2. Change this home. Okay, so we're not going to affect that too much, and I'm going to see this one is 2. Here we're gonna type a formula. It's an offset is this one, and columns is 0. I'm going to starting from this one. Okay, and then the value is given by this, which is the row, the number of rows, and then the number of columns that is 0. So now I'm going to do, as you can see, this. Okay, I'm gonna enlarge a bit. You can also change here this value, this color, like this. We can also decide to have a border with this color. Okay, and the same is for this, just as you want. Then once we have defined this, we can also decide to have this area, format cells. The line is this one, the color is this one, only is for this as well. Okay, so we are starting to create our dashboard like this. Okay, finance. Okay, now we have our, I can also input this a bit smaller. Here we are. Okay, now we're starting to create the rest of the page. We're starting with some data. We create here now a calculation tab. Okay,